Welcome to the mix, and this morning we have Erica as she goes for the rabbit with the wood, as she would call it. She's talking about all the stuff that was spoken about her on social media, and she's attacking that as well. She spoke about her mom, and she spoke about Dwayne's mom, as in how he would know that she has a pretty whatever. Now, you guys could go ahead and watch the video, make your comment, and also please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.
Rabbit back. Who pack up the hood them on top of the rabbit back? No, the rabbit come on social media contact say him mother front pretty and for me mother front have whole heap of this and that. No, the boy come on social media can tell me saying can't take Mickey. And me make this? No, you not tell me.
Stop my cocky. But look for free cocky. Stop investing cookies, okay, girl? I'm not buying none. I get them free. Because I'm sexy, I'm nice.
So who said so? Who put that on social media say them a say hood a pack up and them enough them a bun whole heap of hood in a them cold kill? Una answer me there. And then we go further in there. Cause trash me a trash down the live. Yeah, wicked, you know. Who said they love cocky? What is cocky? A hockey or a cocky? You can't be. And never the national dish. So, student, 130 on the prayer, I don't know. But I would like you guys to tell Landlawd who come on social media can say them are them mother daughter. You know hear the question? Nobody no business with your lifestyle, sir. Not a soul business with your lifestyle. And you can't compare. And you compare rabbit with him Bungle hood pan him back. Talk truth. Make we play one more time. Me have the recipe because me answer this video here right down when I go sleep.
But look for free cocky. Stop investing cookies, okay, girl? I'm not buying none. I get them free. Because I'm sexy, I'm nice.
Alright. He did. Alright. Make we go down more in here because we have everything to come out with. Tonight me come out because a long time me wait for a video like this. Oh my God. When you see me put it on boom box, you must know.
Yeah. I'm on the line. No.
Let me look for that video I already put on for them or something.
No, you can't hear you.
When I cut out nothing, you know, I have nothing to cut out in our life.
Even my mom is kind of social now. I'm telling you, even my mom is kind of social now because if it was just my own mom out the last time. It don't look right.
He put up all my mother. No, oh no look. He put up all my mother address on social media. Yeah.
Why every people are harassing?
See the mom here? Working some big hospital.
What if I find this gay? What does that have to do with anything? Why do you guys keep on bashing her child? What is so wrong?
But see it?
Why are you guys continuously bullying her child? Her child is only here.
Oh no, listen to this now. This man say, her child, why are you bullying her child? Sir, now you come on social media say you have my 19-year-old in your bed. Now you come on social media bully my child first. You bully Blackie daughter first. That's why I pour a crime. And you cuss her how she cripple and how she this and how she that. Then Blackie come bout to you. So you that look me fi come bout here. When me come out and say, no, it's not only Blackie daughter stay, so you turn so too. You say, no, not me. So other people's sons and daughters enough for them. Eh? You say my son take train from Belgium and what you do with him? Oh, what? When he left this belly, boy, go ahead. So, you cuss my mother at how many age for 1 year and odd. And I wait for the day when Master God could have make you put your mother on social media. You send people go way up on my mother yard, go get her address, and you put it out on social media, all fly. Rabbit with your Bungle hood we say, yeah, take peer free cocky. No, you do it. Rabbit with the Bungle hood, I know you do it. So other people, children, enough for them. Only your mother's son or your son. And your mother not have son. No owner in a for your son. S-O-N a son. You not have no owner for your son. No owner in there.
So that's
You come by your
for
say your
today,
mother,
gamers.
yeah,
Big
your
up
mother
on
dancer.
nice clean self. And enough respect once again to you all. Thank you for watching my videos and for subscribing to my channel. Have a wonderful day.